What is wrong with tech today? Nowadays, people don't own anything in the digital world. Whether it's a phone or a piece of software, there's always some code preventing us from using the device or software to its fullest potential. Take phones, for example. Anti-repair practices are being built into phones, making many devices turn into e-waste. Companies make it difficult to replace batteries or fix simple issues, pushing us to buy new models instead of repairing what we have. Another issue is the pairing of parts, where components are programmed to work only with specific devices or brands, further complicating repairs and upgrades. A notable example is John Deere. They added anti-repair measures to their tractors, where repairing a part could lock the engine's features, and only John Deere can unlock them, forcing farmers to rely on the company for repairs. Tesla also decided it was a great idea to limit the battery charge capacity on their standard cars, even though the normal charge capacity was the same as their long-range cars' charge capacity. Then there are subscription plans for almost everything. Need to edit a Word document? You need a subscription. Want to view a PDF? That often requires a subscription too. These practices lock us into continuous payments for basic functionalities. However, not all subscriptions are bad. Some are necessary. For example, if there was a one-time purchase for online storage, the person hosting the storage could go broke and shut down. Subscriptions should be provided only when necessary. Some companies, like BMW, have taken this to extremes. They charged $18 per month to heat the seats of their cars, which was part of an extra subscription plan. They even offered a subscription to change the engine sound to a sports car engine sound for $20, meaning the extra features totaled $120. After backlash, BMW stopped these charges. Digital ownership extends beyond devices. Games and music are often locked to specific accounts, preventing us from selling or even lending them if we no longer enjoy or need them. This restriction limits our freedom to manage our purchases as we see fit. If the service that hosts the games or music shuts down, a lot of money goes down the drain, and we lose access to the content we paid for. Because of these restrictions, many people turn to pirating as a solution. Why pay for a subscription to view a PDF when you can get a pirated version of the software that just works? It's not just about cost, it's also about control. We should be able to own and fully utilize the devices and software we purchase. But the current trend in tech takes that control away from us. Imagine buying a car but needing a subscription to use the air conditioning or the radio. That would be ridiculous, yet that's exactly what's happening with our digital devices. The push for planned obsolescence also contributes to this problem. Devices are designed to have a limited lifespan, forcing us to upgrade regularly. This not only costs us more money, but also creates significant environmental waste. Privacy is another major issue. Many software and apps collect vast amounts of data on us, often without our explicit consent. We trade our privacy for convenience, sometimes without even realizing it. Moreover, tech companies often restrict software compatibility, making older hardware obsolete. This forces users to upgrade perfectly functional devices to keep up with software updates. In conclusion, the tech industry needs to shift towards more user-friendly practices. We should advocate for the right to repair, more transparent pricing models, and greater control over our devices and data. It's time to take back control of our digital lives.